Adeola mi.
I want to thank my dad. He's so much a loving father. My mom, my siblings, my family, relative, extended and close. I want to thank my husband's family, the mother-in-law, father-in-law. Ó dúpẹ́ pàtàkì gangan lọ́wọ́ ọkọ mi torí tí kò bá gbé mi níyàwó lénìí, I'll still be missed. But all thanks to God, all thanks to my husband for letting me to bear his name. It is not easy. Kéèyàn dá ṣèyàn lórúkọ. So mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tó kà mí yẹ. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó wá. Dúpẹ́ pé ayọ̀ tí wọ́n fi débí báyìí ló fi máa padà sílé wọn láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà.
Adeola. I'm ready, you know. I'm ready to stay. I'm gonna live my life